My mother, Debbie Abbott, would tell me that she had Indian in her, but I don't remember if it was from her father's side or her mother's side. And I don't know if it was that much, really. I don't know how old she was in this, like 16, 17, maybe up to 18, because look, she's got her senior ring on. I guess that's her senior ring. And our eye structure, nose, lips, so similar. Hands, even. Hands, arms. It was a cardinal, a male cardinal. Anyway, on biological father's side, he's told me that his mom's mom was full-blooded Cherokee Indian, but I don't remember on his dad's.